2007 Toyota Tacoma, two-wheel drive, with the customer complaint of pulling to the right at highway speed when pressing on the brake, and also ABS false activation under 30 miles per hour, especially when making left turns. Checking for coils, there were no coils for any wheel speed sensor or ABS system. Okay, on self-test, you can see the ABS coming on here. Seeing no lights at all. I'm driving like a 55 or something like that, and we can see the differences in between each other. I'll be making a left turn. Going straight. Laying on the brake, getting to stop. I'll make a right turn. Let's see what happens when I make a right turn. Laying the brake, nothing happening, works normal. I was told they recently did the ABS wheel bearing, so at this point I will be cleaning the base where that one goes and see if that one makes the sensor to read the same speed as the others. If not, I will have to scope that one and see if we have glitches, or I don't know, something went wrong when they installed the wheel bearing. Probably I'll see if I can swap the sensors if they do work. So I'll check on that one. So first step is gonna be cleaning up the base, removing it and cleaning up the base. I haven't worked on this style before, but I don't know if that one is normal, the grease goes on it or not. There's a lot of grease on it. I can see rust all over the place here. So I clean up the base right now there, and I'll clean the sensor and reinstall it. Well, you can see on the sensor here, there are some marks. Also on this side. See how those marks look like? I don't know if they did something wrong with the wheel bearing, because they shouldn't be making any contact. They have to be very close but not making contact. Okay, I think I got it here. See a wheel bearing here? Oh look, this new wheel bearing, they did something wrong. You can see here how the wheel, how much play it got here. Well, sensor is messed up already. We need a new sensor. We make contact with that, and then a new wheel bearing. This is the new wheel bearing I will be installing on it. And something we gotta check on for new bearings is on newer vehicle is they don't have anymore the teeth here to transmit to the ABS sensor. So normally they're kind of magnetic like this. You see, the magnetic side is the one goes to the sensor side. Okay. This side is magnetic, and you can see the other side isn't, like this side. You can see nothing happening here. It's not magnetic, and it doesn't have anything basically here. It's just, you know, it's like a little magnet, so they gotta have some inside this one they gotta have something to transmit that signal. So, but anyway, the magnetic side is the side goes to the inside or to the sensor side.